Is it visible?
Yes, now it is visible.
Good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. Today, me, Rishabh Sharma, and my friend Preet Limbani are going to present on about a very serious problem, which is improper disposal of masks. Over to Preet. Preet.
Preet
Sorry, I
is
forgot to unmute my mic.
okay.
Yeah.
Hello guys, I am Preet Limbani. Activities, people going to work, kids playing, people not disposing mask properly. So the problem is कि everyone are working nowadays क्योंकि unlock is started. So people are going to work, kids are playing, but the reason is people are not disposing masks properly. Over to research.
So the environment at the time of observing the activity, uh, the temperature was about 30-ish, 1 or 2 degree more or less, and there was a sense of emergency due to the current pandemic. So like not a lot of people were, like everyone was in a hurry because they wanted to get from point A to point B as fast as they can. And due to the current weather, as you know, it is monsoon, so the air was a little bit moisture laden. Over to breathe.
The interaction was the people were throwing masks, so animal were eating, cows were eating, licking the mask, a mask being carried away by animals. So dogs and cat were transporting mask from one place to another place. Mask thrown in lake, pond, beaches, causing water pollutions. These were the major interaction which we observed. Over to Rishabh.
So the objects at the point of observation were bikes, cars, ponds, and small local shops. So these were all the objects that were affected by that activity. Over to Preet.
So the basically users were people going to work, people socializing, animal, whoever comes contact with the mask were the people using it. Over to Risa.
So the solutions, as we have listed. So Preet, can you explain the first solution?
Yes, the first solution was spreading the general awareness. So informing people not to dispose masks in public places, instead throwing properly in garbage box or dustbin, so that infection or virus should stop spreading and pollution will reduce land or water any pollution. Over to research.
Yeah. So as computer engineering students, what we thought of was integrating an image cutting algorithm inside of CCTVs and smart glasses. So how it will work is basically it will track the masks, and then whoever is throwing away a mask, it can no, what we say, it can identify that the mask is being thrown away by tracking it and seeing if it is not moving at all. So in that way, we can identify who has thrown away the mask. So after it identifies who has thrown away the mask, it will link that person's face into a facial recognition database, which could be anywhere with the police or with the police. So they can identify certain individuals who have thrown away the masks, and they could be charged accordingly. So this was all from our side. Thank you, and be a responsible citizen and stay safe.
Thank you.
Yes, I would like to ask you people that what you are going to implement, or which system you are going to implement for this.
So first of all, our responsibility as a responsible citizenship should be spreading awareness, because most of this is happening due to lack of awareness in people. So first of all, spreading general awareness through social media platforms, and that would be our first and foremost step. And the second part would be developing algorithms with the help of other people who have proper expertise in it, so that we can integrate it in the CCTVs and in the local administrative system.
Okay. But that's fine. Okay, I
Yeah.
got your point that you will inform. But how you will think about or how you are going to implement it? That is my question. That let's say you mentioned smart glass. Okay, so I think smart glass are not yet available in India.
Sir, but
Yes.
it's going to soon available by Geo, sir. Geo is developing smart glasses.
Okay, so my concern is that how you will implement. I know it.
So we will build a software according to the object. Like for example, if we will build the software and then we will contact the seller or distributor or some authority related to the hardware. For example, if we have built a software for example, say Geo Smart Glasses, so we will contact Geo Smart Glasses authorities, and another respective authorities we will contact.
Okay. Yes, your problem is good, but still I'm thinking that from your end, from your end, is how you are going to. Anyway, let's see that. Whenever we will try to implement this, then we will learn that how we can do. Yes. Anyone else who have not still given the presentation for you can say AEIOU. Darshan Parmar.
Yes, sir. I am not in the last lab because I am going go to the bank.
But then I have given instruction in last to last lab.
सर I'm सर मैं 2 लैब से नहीं आया हूँ.
I think in last to last lab, I also mentioned that from next lab onwards we are starting presentation. Okay, and in that lab we have discussed that we are going to prepare or we are going to do the observation and all those things.
Sir, in next lab I will definitely do. Sir, I
No,
right now I
if you have
don't know
not
what to
done
do.
if you have not done it for 1 month, okay, then how you will do it in 1 week?
Sir, I don't know what to do.
Okay, I hope. Have you approached me for this? That sir, what to do in this?
No, sir, I will approach with the classmates.
That's right, but actually I wanted to know that how why you have not approached me. And whenever you are concerning all these things when I have asked you. Otherwise, you have not even told by you have not even tell by your own that sir, I have not yet given the presentation. Deep,
Sorry, sir.
deep, deep. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what about your problem?
Sir, I already presented with Pranjul, Raj, and Ayush
Problem.
for e-waste.
E-waste. So at that time, I think I have given you I have given some input that how you are going to. Yes, in that case, I have given you input that you have to select a specific topic and then for that you are going to for that problem you are going to find out the solution. So have you decided any solution?
Sir, we are working on that.
Oh, what you have done? Can you tell me?
Sir, we are supposed to do. Uh, we have lots of electronic device in our home, which is not working. So we are going to the neighbor and ask to them, can they give us, and we can take a part of them which is working, but device is not working. Like Raj have old laptop, and I buy a new laptop, but I don't have any graphics card on my laptop. So I go to the Raj and ask them if you have any graphics card. So Raj have graphics card in all laptops, so I can take it from all laptops, and so that's why I don't have to buy a new one, so we can reduce e-waste.
Sir, can I say one thing?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Sir, actually, I don't know if it is true or not, but Apple has taken a step towards reducing e-waste because it is rumored that the iPhone 12, which will be released this year, they won't be shipped with a charger because
Hmm.
almost everyone has a charger.
Hmm.
If you are buying a phone, you already have a charger, so they won't be shipping phones with chargers. So that is a good example of reducing e-waste. So they most probably will ship their phone without a charger.
So, concern, I think, Pranjul, are you there? Yes, who are your teammate? Deep?
Pranjul, Raj, and Ayush.
Raj. Raj is there or not? I think Raj is also not there. Pranjul, are you there?
Ayush is there, sir, I think.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, Ayush. So I told you that how you people are going to define a technical solution.
Yes, sir. For that, we discussed about that. We need to use an alternate problem, a specific problem for that.
Mhm.
Sir, I think the topic we selected, it's very difficult to find a technical specific solution for this generalized problem. So we'll first select a specific problem, and for that we'll design one specific solution and we'll present it to you.
Hmm. Okay. Dharmik.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about your problem definition?
So me and my team had presented about the traffic problem.
Solution.
Yeah, solution आपने तब बोला था ना like different types of new designed cameras. I thought कि we will design such a camera that will analyze the whole face of a person who speeds or who is not wearing mask in the public areas, and then the camera will analyze the face, and it will be linked with आधार कार्ड. मीन्स हम जब आधार कार्ड बनवाने जाते हैं तो वो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमसे लेते हैं it will be linked with it, and on the basis of that it will like he will be punished like मेमो और उसके घर पे एड्रेस पे पर्टिकुलर चार्ज जाएगा and he has to pay for it, so he will be aware about not doing it next time.
Yes. So let me do one thing. Let me uh, mark down the. Let me mark down the number of all the students who are interacting with me. So if someone is joining at the end of the lecture, then yes, I think I have discussed with Ayush. Ayush, what is your number?
Sir, 17.
17. Okay, then
AI.
Darshan. AI 17. Darshan.
AI 10, sir.
AI 10. Then Deep.
AI 20,
20.
AI 20.
20. Okay. Then next, Dharmik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So So your number
Sir, 33.
33. Okay, and your problem definition is the traffic signal, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
Traffic issues.
traffic issues. Divyajit,
Public traffic, yeah, sir.
Divyajit. Yes. What about your problem definition? You are with Dharmik, same group. What is your number? 03. Harshvardhan Pandey. Harshvardhan.
Yes, sir, present.
Yes. So what
Hello.
about your problem
Am I
definition?
audible?
Yes, you are audible. What about your problem definition?
Hello. Sir, I'm working on it.
So why you,
Hello.
yes, why you are not still present? Divyajit, okay.
Sir, I am actually. Sir, we all are in the same group and we presented in the last class.
Okay, yes. What is your number, Harshvardhan?
Sir, AI 18. AI 18.
AI 18.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. My
Yes.
was environment.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Ivanshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
What
was also
about
in
you?
the same group.
Okay. So
About
how many people are in your group? You are in which group?
dharmic ones.
Dharmik.
Yes.
Okay. What is your number?
AI 15.
15. Okay. So you are in one group, G1. Then who are your group member? Okay. 3 is also belonging to group 1. Okay.
Like I'm sorry, Divyajit, then Ivanshi, then Harshvardhan, then Dhruvi, and I.
15, then 18, G1. Okay, then 31. Who is 31?
Sir, Dhruvi,
Ravi.
and I.
Okay, and 33. Yes. What was your problem definition? The traffic signal.
Yeah, human traffic, like means traffic which is on the public areas, like
Okay, traffic management. We can
yeah,
say.
people speed here and there, and
Yes, another group is 17. I think Ayush. Ayush, who are your group member? Ayush.
Sir, me, Deep, Pranjal, and Raj.
Okay, your number.
Sir,
Group
my roll
number.
number is 17.
Yes,
Raj says 29.
29,
Deep's roll number is, I think, 20.
20. Yes, and Pranjul.
And Pranjal's is 23, I think.
Pranjul, what is your number?
It's 23, sir.
23. Okay, G2, G2, G2. Okay, your problem definition is that e-waste management.
Yes, sir. Currently it's that, but if we are not going to find a specific solution for that, we'll present another problem.
Okay, no problem. But I think we have to complete this subject by next week. Okay, so
Sure, sir. We'll
yeah,
take note of it.
so later on you can study other subjects.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, we are having very less time, so we are supposed to complete this very soon.
Okay.
Yes. Next is let's say Ivanshi, then Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so Mohammed, what about you? Your problem definition?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We already discussed.
Yes. Who are your team member?
Me and Sri Narayan, AI 56.
Okay. AI 56 and BD 13, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So this is group 3. Yes. Have you tried that? I think you tried that solution, cotton and super glue.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I was about to tell you. Yeah, it worked. Thank you, sir. It worked perfect.
Perfectly.
Yes, sir. Perfectly. I tried using cotton and that super glue. It worked. Like you said, there will be fumes. Fumes
Uh,
also were there, but it worked perfectly. Now the leakage is over. Thank you for your
oh,
solution.
yeah, yeah. Have you suggested this solution to your community?
Yes, sir. Whoever, like my family also, like my relatives also were facing the same problem.
Uh,
So I think last week when I met them, I told them about that, and they tell me they will also implement that. But I told them that the result will be 100% perfect because I discussed it with my. I told them I have a teacher and we have a subject DTPS, and I discussed about them. And then the teacher he told me one solution which I will try. And then I told them that it worked perfect. Now it's time for you also to implement that. And they told me they will implement. But thank you,
okay.
sir, for the solution. It
Yes, yes.
worked
So,
perfectly.
yep, okay. My only concern is that you circulate this solution with your entire community, all of your
Yes,
friends.
sir. Sure.
Okay.
Sure, I
So
will. I will, sir. I
yes,
will.
because there will be lots of people who might not afford very costly or very pricey solution. Okay, but I think
Yes.
this will be quite helpful to them.
Yes, sir, because like the super glue costs only like 10 rupees and
Uh,
cotton like everyone has cotton at home. Cotton we can
yes.
afford that. It is also
Okay.
cheap, so it is affordable to everyone.
Okay. Okay. One thing which I would like to know that how is the electricity issues in your country? You can say.
Uh like we have how to say we have one board here in our country which called the CEB, Central Electricity Board. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to open an account there, and then after that we will supply us the electricity, and then we have to pay them monthly charges.
Okay. Now, electricity is continuously available, or there is a frequent drop in electricity?
No, sir, but in my region it's continuously available.
Okay. In other regions?
Once in a blue moon it will like there will be a power cut, but every day it's available.
Okay. In other regions? In
In
the
other
remote
regions also,
areas?
I think it's same. It's same, sir. I think it's same
Okay.
because like in our island in my country we have how to say we plant sugarcane. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so from that sugarcane we have that bagas. You know
Okay.
bagas?
Yes, yes, I know Bakas.
Yeah.
The
Yes. So
leftover after extracting the
yes,
juice.
yes, sir. From that we produce electricity. So we have a continuous how to say raw material to produce electricity. So there is electricity every time. In case there
Now,
is a power failure,
uh,
only. But every day we have.
okay, now why I'm asking you all these things because let's say if solar electricity is not introduced there, then
No, yes, sir.
making
We also have this. So
okay,
electricity, like government has a scheme for people who cannot like pay to afford electricity, like for the farmers, to give them facility. So government is providing schemes like I think 75% government is giving or 80%.
okay.
They
Now
are giving
why
this, and you just need to pay
yes,
the
why I'm telling you this because I have worked with solar system and I have my
yes.
own private. I have just tried to implement my own personal solar system where circuit and all those things designed by me, and I'm using it at my home. So
Sir, do you have that? I mean, the model or circuit. Do you have with you now? If you can share,
I
I would
think
like to see.
electricity. Let me join from mobile, okay, and then I will show you that actually where I have implemented it. So
Okay,
then
sir.
also you people will have a very good idea that actually how I have implemented it. Actual circuit. Actual circuit is something little bit different. Uh, Let me just join with the Google Meet and show you the circuit. Right now, that circuit is not available with me, but anyway, let me show you. I think you can unmute your audio. Okay. Now, let me present it. Just a second. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, have you seen it, Mohammed?
Yes, sir. I saw that.
Yes. Yes. So actually, I'm having a greenhouse at my home where I grow flowers. So for
Yeah,
those
it's
flowers
nice, sir.
require constant humidity, and then we need a solution. So what I have done, I have kept 2 solar panel on my roof, and then I have built that small circuit, okay, and water pump. So as you can see that whenever I will start it in morning, okay, so throughout day it will operate automatically by its own, and
Yes, sir.
it will provide the moisture and humidity in environment. Okay, so I have just built a simple system. Now here you can use this same kind, you can use this kind of circuit, and then you can build let's say system which will help the farmer. So without electricity, if they want to give water to sugarcane, okay, then they can. So
Yes, sir.
this will be helpful. And I would like to know that your farmers in your country, are they growing vanilla?
Sorry, sir.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. No, I don't think so. Vanilla, no.
Mm-hmm.
Because maybe I'm not sure. Maybe, but like we import from France.
Okay. Now, why I'm telling
Because
you, because uh, vanilla can be grown in an environment where there is a high humidity. Okay, and you might be having a coastal area in your island.
yes, sir, sure.
Yeah, and for your kind information, the price of vanilla is very high. So if you suggest some vanilla crop to your farmer, then it will be you can say very great income of great source of income.
Sir, actually, I just searched like we grow vanilla in Mauritius.
Yes,
I
yes,
was
yes,
not sure about that, but we do grow.
yes, yes. It is very precious. I think for 10-gram price is 600 to
Yes, yes,
700
sir.
rupees.
Yes,
Yeah.
and it's also we grow vanilla and as I told you, sugarcane also.
Okay. So, anyway, actually, our purpose of this subject is to introduce these kind of solutions and let's help society in such a way that without posting too much, they can use our solution and it will be helpful to them.
Sorry, sir, for the disturbation.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, what was the problem, sir? You gave solution to Mohammed, no, sir, for cotton and glue.
Yes. The now problem was that his roof was leaking. So they have tried lots of different approach. Okay, so in that approach, what happened that although they have tried different approach, it was not working properly. So here the solution which I have faced frequently, which I have used frequently. Okay, uh, that I have given to him. Okay, that you can use first you put or first you fill the gap with the cotton, and then if you will pour some super glue on that cotton, okay, then fumes will come and that cotton will be it will be melted and it will become a solid. Okay, so that gap will be filled very well. Okay, even if you want to, if any plastic thing is broken and if you want to, let's say, fix it, then you can fix using this method. Okay, I'm having a water tank at my home, and we are using it since last, let's say, 16, 17 years. So recently, due to heavy or very high heat, crack were developed on the outer side of that water tank, and water was leaking from that crack. So what we have done that we have applied applied this solution, and it worked perfectly fine. Okay, now there is no leakage. So we are also using same kind of multiple solutions in our routine. Okay, but let's say if we can circulate it to the community, okay, then it will be very great because there are lots of people who can use this solution.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Okay. Now, Mohammed, if these kind of other issues are there in your society, okay, then let's say in your specifically in your society or in your country, okay, then you can tell us that, sir, how we can solve this
Sure,
kind of
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir. Sure, I will.
Yeah, and not only to Mohammed, okay, it is applicable to all of us. So the only thing is that we have to show our willingness to solve this kind of problem. Okay, because otherwise, let's say that there is no meaning of whatever we are learning. Okay, at least we have to help society in one or another way. So, a good solution is that. Okay, next is Pranjul. Okay, so I think Pranjul we have covered. Preet,
Yes, sir. Preet here.
yes. What about you?
Sir, just presented, sir, that mask disposal.
Yes, yes, yes. Who are your group member? Which
Sir,
is
me and Rishabh Sharma.
okay. Number
Roll number 24 and 13.
24 and third. Uh,
AI rule number 30.
yeah, 30 or 13.
13.
1 3.
1 3. Okay.
Sir, any suggestion for related this topic, sir?
Now, I think we can develop one shredder. You can develop one shredder for PPE kit and all those things. So, which can be very helpful to the society. And because here, what is the current scenario, current problem that most of the PPE kits are disposed into the sea, or you can say ocean. Okay, and you know that they are simply spoiling our, you can say, our environment.
Water pollution, yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is a very big problem. So our concern is that how we can, uh,
Reduce it.
yes, how we can reduce it, and our only concern is that how we can even reuse the PPE kits and mask. Okay, because if you consider the traditional method, then traditional methods are burning them and then creating pollution.
Sir, instead of using that medical mask, sir, we can use washable mask, sir, like made up of cloth. It will be easy and
Yes, it will be a good solution. Okay, and it will be also helpful in society. Okay, but let me tell you that cotton mask we can use in our routine. Okay, where we want to roam in our society. Okay, but for medical, I think we cannot use cotton mask. Okay, why? What is the problem? Because virus may be there on medium. Okay,
yes,
and it may be manipulated over there, so it may lead to the problem. So we can find out one. Let's say we can design one shredder where we can shred this PPE kit and you can say mask. Okay, and then we can keep one small bucket of, let's say, sanitizer, and we will dip all this shredded material into that bucket, and then we can reuse it. So this can be a good solution if
yes,
you
sir.
can work on it. So if you can develop some product, okay, which can be helpful uh, in this.
Definitely, sir. We will work, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, Vijay Raj.
Sir, I have one idea, sir.
Yes, Rishabh. Yes, sure, sure. This is the
Sir,
lab of ideas.
actually, there is a thing like spray on plastic.
Hmm.
It is in form of liquid inside a can, and when you spray it on a surface, it coats it in a plastic covering.
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
So we can use our normal cotton gloves, and then we can spray it on with that sprayable plastic. And then after use, we can dissolve the plastic in a certain chemical, and then extract it again, and then we can again reuse it. So that was what I was thinking about those gloves and about specifically about gloves, about PP gloves.
So we have to find out some mechanism where we can, you can say, recycle this waste, okay, and we can use it.
Yes, sir.
So, yes. So my concern is that we are supposed to find out the solutions which are for the problems which are faced by the society. Okay, so similarly, this kind of multiple problems are there. For example, expired medicine. Okay, so currently we are disposing it in open environment. Okay, but if we can use that material again, okay, then we can create something useful. Now let me tell you that whenever you are using that 3 gram or 2 gram tablet, okay, then the content of medicine in those tablets are, let's say, in milligram. Okay, so let's say at max you have seen that we will use 500 milligram or 800 milligram tablet at max. Okay, now in the rest of the thing is filler. Okay, so we can use this material somewhere where means we can recycle it and we can make some useful thing from it. So that is what we can do. Now, if we specifically target the current situation, then okay, so lots of issues are there which we are facing nowadays. Okay, so we can at least find out, we can give some solutions. Even let me tell you very simple problem. Okay, if you have seen that vegetable vendors in your area, okay, vegetable vendors in your area, then still people are touching the vegetables, and then they will put back again in lorry, and then other people will again touch it. Okay, so I think we should develop one habit that whatever type of vegetable we might get, okay, then we have to use it, okay, or we should purchase it. Okay, so it should not be like that. We should touch it, and then if we don't like it, then we will put back. So this kind of lots of solutions we can offer to the society um, from our understanding. And specifically, if we are engineering students, so we should focus on some technical solution rather than let's say analytical solution. So that is my concern. And if you can see, or if you can find some problem like this, let's say that this is the current problem, okay, and how we can solve it. So that also you can discuss here, if you would like to discuss, or if you would like to know.
Sir, I saw something on Google about
Yes.
NASA was offering some cash money, cash prize money for because they wanted an updated toilet design because the current one is way too inconvenient. So there was a challenge. I guess it is open now also. So whoever comes up with the best design for a modular toilet to be installed on the space station and on their space shuttles, and they are also expecting that they would install it on the moon, and they are going to build a lunar base. So that is a problem that I know about. I got to know about yesterday.
So similarly,
I think
yeah,
we could work on that.
yes, we could work on that. Okay, but let me tell you that whenever NASA and those kind of organizations are giving problem, okay, so most of time those problem will be of system level problem, where we require lots of efforts and lots of resources as well. Yes. Let me tell you, let me give you just one example. Have you heard about Shakti microprocessor? How many of you are aware with the Shakti microprocessor? Is there anyone from the class who is aware with the Shakti microprocessor? Anyone?
So which one?
Shakti, SHAKTI, Shakti microprocessor. Anybody have any idea?
No, sir.
No. Okay, let me tell you that we have also started working on can you see it? My screen is visible to all of you. So it is actually IIT Madras.
Yes, sir.
So IIT Madras have started working on this. Okay, so they are defining. So they have created one microprocessor named as Shakti. Okay, Shakti IIT Madras, and this is RISC-V microprocessor. Okay, and it may be it is possible that in near future we will have our own microprocessor design. Okay, and you can see, if you will open shakti.org.in, then you will find that open source processor development ecosystem. Okay, and if you will click on getting started, then here you can see processor, then is software development kit and supported operating system. And you see that it support operating system like Linux, okay, then SC Linux, then free real-time operating system, Zypher, okay, and more other operating systems. So let me tell you that countries are also evolving. Means our countries like India, our country is also evolving, and they are also working on improvement of this microprocessor. Okay, and let me tell you that there are two type of microprocessor: RISC and reduced instruction set computer and complex instruction set computer. So whatever processor you people are using nowadays, those belong to CISC or complex instruction set computer. Okay, and now in CISC, specifically in terms of research, everything is at bottleneck. So now there is no scope for improvement, and now everybody is targeting on RISC. Okay, and this Shakti microprocessor is developed using RISC-V. So very soon we might be getting our a new microprocessor in India. So again, get back to the Rishabh Sharma. I think Rishabh has mentioned that NASA is giving open problem. So let me tell you that in that case, we are supposed to find out that how we will, you can say, how we will work on it and how we can work on it, because for those kind of problem we require lots of effort. Okay, and have we seen I think in last lab I have shown you NVIDIA website. We have seen it or not? Yes, anyone?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, in the last lab, we have seen some machine learning project related section on NVIDIA website.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jetson Nano.
Yeah, Jetson Nano, yes, exactly, Jetson Nano. So, the same thing I would like you people to do that. I would like you people to do that. You target the problem which can be solved using machine learning. Okay, and which can be helpful to us. So now let's move forward. Vijay Raj Jain, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vijay Raj.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. What about you? Presentation. Presentation. I am asking about the presentation. I think this is your first lab, Vijay. No? Then why you have not prepared the presentation? Yes. And why you have not prepared the presentation? But as you have, if you were present in last to last, or you can last third lab, Okay, then in last third lab, I have mentioned that we are going to give presentation and we are supposed to prepare the team. Pranjul, I think you have given presentation before 2 labs. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, whether you are going to complete this activity or you just don't want to complete the activity for this. I think let's see that what is your surety. I will check your surety. In next lab, you are going to give 2 presentation. First one is observation, means AEIOU, and another is problem definition. That which problem you are targeting. Yes, next, what is your number, Vijay? One nine. Okay. Then next is Wagai. And Ipsira. Yes. Ipsira. Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
You know these people?
Yes, sir.
Can you talk with them? Can you talk with them that what is the scenario?
Okay. Yes. Yapsira. Sir, I think it's mic issue, network issue.
And Wagai?
Maybe, sir, same because we're in hostel. I think there is network issue.
Yes. So, what about
Sir.
Wagai and Ipsira? Yes.
Sir, I want to just say something. Like,
Yes.
sir, have you heard about Elon Musk Neuralink chip
Yes.
that will link directly to your brain and you can hear songs and etc.
Yes.
He's saying like you can also fix brain problems due to that.
Now, you people know that project Solly from Google? How many
No,
of you
sir.
are aware with the project Solly from Google? It's very old now, you can say. Can you search it in now? Anyone can search it and let me know. Yes, who have joined later on? Dharmik, Dhruvi, Divyaji, Tivanshi, Kalak. Dhruvi? Dhruvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, how's your mother?
Fine.
Okay. Kalab.
Sir, by solely do you mean that radar sensor which is on the phone to detect
Uh,
movements?
yes. Actually, I think they have released this feature in Google Pixel.
4.
Google Pixel 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it was also in one LG phone, if I remember correctly. First, it was introduced in an LG phone at the very first time.
Actually,
And then
that is gesture recognition. It is known as
yeah.
gesture recognition, recognizes gesture. So actually, they have not. Indian government has not allowed them to release Pixel 4 in India
Yeah.
because
Because of that
um,
sensor.
yeah, because of let's say the frequency is matching with the frequency of
Military.
Project Solid. Yes, military frequency.
Yeah.
So they have not allowed it. So similarly, another project is also there from I think Google. They are working on it. I just forgot the name of that project. They are also working on uh, the area of that project is deep learning. Okay, but I just forgot the title. And they are also working on that project. So lots of research and lots of community projects are going on in society, and people are just trying to improve the society. Uh, Let me ask Kalab, Kalab? What about you? Kalab?
Sir, do you mean TensorFlow? Google's TensorFlow.
No, TensorFlow is actually Python library.
Okay.
TensorFlow is Python library. Okay, and they have also
DeepMind, Google DeepMind.
deep. Can you just recall it?
DeepMind.
DeepMind. Uh, no, this is something new. DeepMind Technology is a UK-based AI company. So they are it is a AI company.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
It was acquired by Google in 2014.
yes, in 2014 it was acquired by Google. So see, I just forgot the name of it. Otherwise, and if you
Then
look at
another
this
result it is showing Google Brain. Another result it is showing.
Google Brain. So if you yes, Google Brain. Let me just have a look at the logo. First, Google Brain. Yes, I think yes. I was discussing about this one. Google Brain. Okay. It is a research team, and they are working on AI. So this is also a good project if you would like to if you would like to work on this something on this. So there are lots of subsidiaries. I think Google has acquired many companies. Okay, and let me tell you that if you are having a very good idea in field of artificial intelligence, okay, and then if you are working with it, and then if you implemented that system partially, and if that idea is good, okay, then Google will offer you a very good amount of money. Okay, and I think Google has started dot AI domain. Not Google has started, but all the work companies which are working with artificial intelligence, they are having the domain .ai. Okay, and then they are working on those kind of project. Okay, so if your project idea is good, then Google will offer you good money. Okay, so if you are having good definition in your brain, then you can start working on it. And in case of artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning are not the only two fields of artificial intelligence. Okay, so there are lots of fields, like let's say fuzzy systems are there, then genetic algorithm is there, then you can say swarm intelligence is there. expert systems are there. Okay, and then you can say that colony, yes, colony learning, colony kind of learning is also there. The yes, end colony optimization. So lots of fields in artificial intelligence are there. Yes, self-organizing maps are also there. They are also part of artificial intelligence. Okay, then other than this, yes, statistical learning. It is also part of artificial intelligence, or you can say statistical science. So kernel-based learning, okay, mathematical feature space learning. So lots of fields are there in artificial intelligence. You can explore any of this field, and you can use any of this technique to solve the issues of societies. So let's get back to the topic. Kalab, are you there or not? Kalab, because I will take attendance for the students who are just interacting with me in lab. Okay, for rest of the ideal student, I will not mark them present. So Kalab is not there. Then Naitik. Naitik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what about your problem definition?
So actually, I have not prepared it. I'll prepare it soon.
So I think in last lab you have also told me that for sure I will give presentation
No,
in next
in
lab.
last lab I was absent, sir.
Okay. Then in last lab.
Both the labs I was absent, so I was actually not aware that I have to make a PPT on that. So gradually I got aware today. So I'll do it.
And before 2 lab.
Sir, all are marked absent.
So you is this your first lab?
No, sir, this is my second lab. The first was before the timetable was given. And now this is my second lab.
Okay, what is your number?
32.
32, AI 32.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uday Raj. Yes, Uday Raj, are you there? Yes, what about your presentation? So are you going to do it or not? Yes, for sure, but when for sure?